Hey friends, I was just working on some other videos, so I thought I'd make another one and show you the Young Living Premium CBD Starter Kit. Now I know there's a lot of you out there that have used CBD before, so this video isn't going to be about how, what CBD does and how it can help you. A lot of you already know that it's super calming and grounding for the body and super beneficial and just overall calm for the body. So I'm just going to show you what comes in the Young Living CBD Starter Kit. This is for non-members. If you are not a Young Living member, or if you have not been a Young Living member for a while, this is a great way to start because this is really the best way to get started with CBD. It is such a great deal. Just like always, Young Living wants to get those starter kits into your hands so you can see how high quality these products are. The greatest thing about Young Living CBD is we have a farm in Colorado that has an incredible farming process, just like Young Living's all their other products with their farming processes. I've been to so many of the farms and I've seen the quality, and this is what matters when you're putting something in your body. So often I go and I see that there's CBDs being sold at gas stations and really other weird restaurants, weird places. But what if you're buying something that's actually harming you instead of helping you because it's not the real thing? So today I want to show you the Nature's Ultra CBD Starter Kit. If you want to go to Nature's Ultra on YouTube or Nature's Ultra website, you can find all the farming techniques. You can find out how they test. You can find out so much about this product and how great a quality this product is. Now, the difference between this CBD and other CBDs is one, very high quality. The other thing is it does use essential oils. They synergistically work within the body to deliver better results. So here is the starter kit. Now there's two options to the Nature's Ultra CBD Starter Kit. One, there's a lower option, like a regular strength, and then there's a higher strength. So that's going to be the only difference between your price points when you go and check out those starter kits. Now, I'm going to give you a link at the bottom of this video. Make sure you sign up with me if you heard about this from me or the person that sent you this video, because it's very important who you enroll with so that you can get the support that you need to have these products help you and have the best experience possible with the company. So again, don't just go to the website and sign up. Make sure you click the link in the video or go to the person that sent you this video and they can get you started. Now, what's in this starter kit? Let's find out. All right, so first thing we have is, this is one of my all-time favorite Young Living products, the Joint and Muscle Balm. You guys, it's the bomb. It is the bomb. This is gonna just calm tired joints and muscles, sore joints and muscles. You can rub it on. I went on a trip to dig clean water wells, and our team loved this stuff. They totally ate it up. We were all sore from digging in the dirt all day, and this was incredible. Now, another great product is the Calm Roller. Now, this smells amazing. Again, lavender oil is your most adulterated essential oil on the market. So you want to make sure that when you're buying any kind of lavender oil, you're buying the best lavender oil out there. You can tell just by what this roller smells like that this is the best lavender oil out there. This Calm Roller will calm you with CBD and then with the lavender as well. It's great for neck tension. It's great to put on your wrists. It's great to just put on your neck so that you can smell that and get those beneficial benefits of the CBD being on your skin. All right. Last but not least, we've got our CBD dropper bottle. This stuff is incredible. It has citrus CBD in it. Again, the citrus oil in it is helpful for working synergistically in the body. Citrus oils are very detoxifying, and the CBD is very calming. It helps your receptors in the brain and other parts of the body to receive messages better. Okay, so that's that. Again, when you log onto the website, there are 2 options. There's a 165 option, which is the regular strength. There is a 250 option, which is more strength. How do you decide which to get? Well, I see it as, I feel like I get more for my money when I'm buying the higher strength bottles. So you'll see that this is 1,000 milligram strength. That's the higher strength. You need, less of the product to get the effect that you want, right? So it's going to be different for everybody. You're going to build up to what you need. And I'm here to help you along the way. So that's the other great thing, is once you get started, I will be your guide and I will help you along the way. So click the link, or again, whoever invited you to view this video, make sure you go back to them and get their link, and they will be the ones to guide you along the way.